Hurricane Harvey was the most horrible hurricane that we have ever been through here in Houston. All of a sudden, my daughter Danielle comes running from the back bedroom. Mom, Dad, there's water. And I said, I know, sweetie, there's water. She says, no, Mom, there's water in the house. Once we opened the door, it just came in full force. We felt helpless. We couldn't do anything at that point. Looking back at your home and not knowing if it was gonna be here when you returned, that was the hardest.
Houston is a 1 in 1,000 year disaster. It displaced thousands of people. It disrupted every element of a society, from communications to energy to food. And Team Rubicon had their small part.
Team Rubicon is a disaster response organization that utilizes the skill sets of veterans and first responders to rapidly deploy to disaster zones all throughout the world.
It started out after the Haiti earthquake with 8 individuals, and it's grown to almost 83,000 volunteers.
In order to be able to consistently rely on volunteers, you have to provide an amazing volunteer experience. If we take care of our volunteers, they're going to take care of the mission.
We had to create our own way of tracking and managing all these volunteers.
We were never satisfied, and so we've decided to build something from the ground up, really in an enterprise capacity with Microsoft.
Microsoft Dynamics 365 is our heartbeat. Azure, Office 365, and Teams, every one of those pieces comes together in an incredible manner.
The volunteer management system, it's like one-stop shopping. It's like one place where you can see all of the volunteers, you can see how active they are, you can see what events they've registered for.
You start to build a greater awareness and understanding of every component of the operation. The people, the costs, the time it takes to do a task, everything you do there, you can now start to measure and understand in a greater manner.
And now with the integration that Microsoft presented to us, we are able to cut out multiple steps, in fact, hours out of our day. And that equates to having more families in their homes. I've had many volunteers that have come to me in tears, realizing that some of these people have lost everything. And that's why they keep coming back. For love, for that feeling inside that we all seek. No greater feeling.
Right now, you're sitting in my home, my new, beautiful home. Team Rubicon has rebuilt for us, and I just could not be more grateful.
You have your hands and soul in a house that someone's gonna live in for years and years and years, and you'll always remember that.
I was asking for some type of hope, that you're not in it alone. And Team Rubicon gave me that hope. They said, we're not gonna leave you like this. We're gonna get you back into your home. And that's why I call them my angels.